This clip shows how to buy shares of Amplify Energy Corp and explains the core steps to find AMPY on a brokerage platform. Amplify Energy is an oil and gas infrastructure company that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AMPY, and this video is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AMPY to find the listing. Select the result that matches Amplify Energy Corp to open the asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the company name and NASDAQ ticker to confirm you have the correct stock. Click the Buy or Invest button. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Then carefully review the order details and submit to confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed according to your order type, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Once the trade executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.